In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with ConvertKit using the 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just getting started, this integration process is designed to be as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's dive in. To get started, you'll first want to log into both of your accounts. Open your browser and head over to the Wix website where you can log in using your credentials. Once you've accessed your Wix account, open up a new tab in your browser and navigate to ConvertKit. Similarly, enter your login information to access your ConvertKit dashboard. Having both platforms open and ready will make the integration process more efficient and less time-consuming. Now, let's move on to deciding the best method to connect Wix to ConvertKit. There are three main ways you can achieve this integration, each tailored to different levels of technical comfort. The first method, and often the simplest, involves embedding ConvertKit forms directly onto your Wix site without any need for coding skills. Start by opening ConvertKit and navigating to the Grow section, specifically to landing pages and forms. Here, create a new form suited to your needs. Once your form is ready, click on Publish and choose to embed. Copy the HTML embed code provided. Now go back to your Wix site editor, look for the Add button, and choose Embed. From there, select Embed HTML and paste the code you previously copied. Publish your site, and just like that, your form will be live and ready to collect information. If you prefer using an app to handle the integration, consider the Wix app market. Search for ConvertKit or related terms like email integrations. You'll discover several third-party apps available, such as Zapier or MailChimp Bridge apps, which can sync directly with ConvertKit. This method is particularly advantageous if you're already using these applications in your workflow and want a more cohesive setup. For those interested in advanced automation, Zapier offers a great solution. Within Zapier, create a new automation known as a Zap. Set Wix automations as your trigger with the new form submission as the specific event to initiate the Zap. Then designate your action as Add Subscriber to Form or Tag Subscriber in ConvertKit. After configuring these settings, give your Zap a quick test and then activate it to finalize the setup. After you've selected your preferred method of connection, it's time to personalize your forms on Wix. Make sure to include fields for both name and email, as these are essential for collecting subscriber information. Connect these fields to ConvertKit using either the embed code or Zapier based on which method you've selected. Finally, testing your integration is crucial to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Visit your live Wix site and fill out the form as a visitor would. After submitting, head back to ConvertKit and verify whether the subscriber information appears in the correct form, list, or tag you've designated. By following these steps, you'll have successfully integrated Wix with ConvertKit, allowing you to seamlessly manage your contacts and subscriber lists. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.